Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are actually in Sao Paulo in South America. Sao Paulo is in Brazil. If you're new to the channel, please do subscribe. We're going to be having a lot of good content in this month. As you know, this is the month of my birthday, so do not forget to subscribe to the channel and do not forget to share the video. Wish me good appetite. This is the beginning of my birthday, guys. Eat it. Estou comendo picanha. This is actually a Brazilian dish. This is my first Brazilian dish. Brazil. I decided just to come over so that I can buy a soap today. Yesterday I bought bread with you guys. Today I'm going to buy some soap so that I can do some washing, and you guys will see how much it costs. Yeah. Notice that here in Sao Paulo they use a lot of Fiat. That is a car. You got Fiat, you got Chevrolet, you got VW. This three mark of car is actually many of it. You find it here. You find it here a lot. Bom dia.
Bom dia.
Now, no fala português. Okay, for this, Omo. Omo. Omo.
Sabão?
Savão. Yeah, savão. 2 kg.
Ô, Davão, mostra ali pra ele onde tá o sabão.
Davan. Alfonso. Obrigado.
Nada, imagina.
Yeah. We got some wine here. I don't know how much is the wine. If you want to see the wine here. No, guys, it's very important to know the price of things before you buy. This is the juice I like. It's seven reals. Avocados. Guys, how much is the avocado here? I don't know. 23. I don't know if it's by kgs or what. Let's see what we can get here on the avocado. Beef. And banana. Bom dia.
Bom dia.
Nome fala português. Fala français.
Francês.
Yeah.
Bom dia.
Bom dia. Comment ça va? Bonjour.
Bom dia.
Yeah, bom dia. Nome? Meu.
Seu.
Afonso.
Afonso.
Mi.
Seu nome.
Afonso.
Prazer, Afonso.
No fala português. Fala francês. Fala inglês.
Não fala.
5 pounds. 5. 5. 1, 5. 2, 5.
2, 5, 10.
10.
Aí você quer 2, 10.
10. 10 pouco.
O que mais?
É?
Mais alguma coisa?
Mais.
Mais alguma coisa. Quer algo mais? É algo mais.
Pau?
Não, outra coisa aqui. Não.
Não comprando. Não compreendo.
Entendi.
Yeah. Fala francês.
Ele fala francês.
Fala francês, bonjour, comment ça va? Fala English, good morning, how are you? But no fala português. Nome?
Meu nome?
Yeah.
Leite.
Leite. Oh, obrigado. Guys, it's not easy to come to a supermarket and then you don't even know how to speak the language. But it happened that I actually got what I want. I wanted to buy this. This is what I wanted to buy. And I managed to find it. Omo. Bought this. I don't know how much is it. I'm gonna tell you about it. And I bought another bread. I bought tej. I bought another bread, which I can't do anything with that bread. Oh, savon. Yeah. Savon. And
Calculadora? Tem meu celular, certo?
Name of this?
Esse aqui é... Como que é o nome? Eu esqueci. Isso aqui é...
Abacate.
Abacate.
Abacate. Isso. Abacate. English? Avocado.
Avocado?
You see? Abacate. French? Avocado. Avocado. Guys, I'm talking with the uncle and then he's giving me the name of avocado. So, quanto?
45,99.
46, guys, 47. Now it's 47.99, which is yeah. And then I'll give them 100. Yeah. 100.
Hã?
100.
Tá grande?
100 real.
Hã?
Tá falando que é 100 reais. Yeah. You see? Now, it's gonna give me change. Quanto this? Quanto?
Mas eu fui somar na cabeça, tinha dado 10 reais a menos. Tô ficando doida.
Na calculadora deu errado? Na calculadora.
No celular deu mais.
Thank you. Obrigado. Obrigado, né?
Vlog, YouTube?
É?
Vlog.
Yes? See. Thank you. Yeah, he wanted to see if I'm doing YouTube, and then I give him the name of my channel. I actually subscribe him to my channel. So to show you how people are very kind here, I just go to the shop. I actually bought a Omo. I bought the Omo, I bought another juice and the bread, who cost me actually 50 real. Yeah guys, 50 real is about 150 rand. 50 real is about 150 rand. So I might say that in this area, I think a little bit expensive to compare to other area. You know, the residential area is always expensive anyway. We are not in the town here, we are actually in the residential area. So that is the reason why you're going to see that the price of the grocery is a little bit expensive. So I was informed that if I really want to buy a lot of things, I must go in downtown to buy. I must go in town. So now I don't want to go to town. I just wanted to buy the bread, buy juice, and buy this savon. Okay, so it allowed me to spend the money I spent. I did spend 50 real to buy. So now I'm going back in the house. Obrigado. Guys, if you're new here, please do subscribe. We are actually in Brazil, in São Paulo. Yeah, I must say that you are actually welcome to this place. I'm going to go that side and get some. We are going to get some fruits. Maybe some guayaba. I want to check the guayaba there because I really like guayaba. I really like guayaba. I'm going to show you, see that place that I'm going to be buying some, maybe watermelon, or maybe I'll be buying some watermelon there. Yeah, Guys, you can see here we got beautiful watermelon. I don't know how much is it. I don't know how much is it. Quanta?
3 por 10.
And watermelon?
8.
Coito. Goiaba.
Goiaba não tem. Hoje no meio.
Now goiaba.
No goiaba.
So one of these watermelon is actually 20 real. 20 real. You remember, 1 real is 3 rand. That means it's about 60 rand. This one, 60 rand. Yeah.
5 por 10.
Yeah.
5 tem. 5 por 10.
Yeah. There's 5,
15.
15. Okay. So, guys, this one is 10 real, and this one is 5 real. 5, 30.
50.
50. So 50. 50.
20, 7 seu troco. 10, 15, com 8, 23.
Yeah.
25, 30, 50. Ok?
Okay. 50.
Troco para 50.
Guys, I have given him 50 real, and then he pay me back 30 real for this, and this. Now you're going to put it in the plastic for me.
Não é bonita pra você, calma aí. Okay?
All right. I don't know even which one is okay. Papa, bom dia.
Dia bom.
Dia bom.
Dia bom.
Dia bom, né?
Dia bom.
Dia bom, dia bom. Fala francês. Fala francês.
Não.
Fala francês.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Fala francês, fala English.
Ah.
Fala English.
English.
É? Fala English.
Não. Ó, português.
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 Alfonso.
Ô, Afonso,
Yeah.
prazer.
Sei. Até a próxima.
Com certeza.
Até a próxima. Yeah. Guys, I bought all this for actually for 100, almost 100 real. So it's almost 300 rand that I've spent, as you can see here. When I was coming, I'm actually close to the house. You know, in any area, if you are buying things in the, if you're going to be buying, if you're going to buy your things. All right. Obrigado. Yeah. I'm going back home, guys. You see, they like to be on the motorbike here. They like motorbike. You can see that a lot of people is on the motorbike. Yo, now I'm carrying all the stuff I bought. I'll be going home now. You can see. Oh, oh. Ah, yeah. If you're in the new country and then you want to speak the new language, it's very good to go close to those who are speaking the language. If you go close to those who are speaking only the language, not even knowing your language, it's actually become more easy to learn the language. Anytime when I go out, I realize that I'll learn a new word. You know, I'll learn a new word because I have to make an effort to exchange with people. You know, I have to use a sign language anyhow to exchange with people. Yeah, this is where I stay. This is where I call home in Sao Paulo. This is where I stay, okay? I need to go quickly because I'm very, very tired. And you know, it's only when you hold this plastic that you realize that it's heavy. You hold it and then you realize that it's heavy. And now when I reach in the gate there, I have to open the gate, which gonna stop me again. You know, the security is very important here also. I can easily, you know, the camera is looking at me, and yeah, it's open now. Say pulsa. Oh, okay. Até próxima.